So today we're going to run the electric to the house and to the temporary line and also the water line today. So stay tuned and hope that you enjoy the videos that you see today. Thank you.
Trying to cut a groove out of this to run the water in it, because from the lowest point has to be 30 inches to the top of the land. So the other option is to add more dirt. So if it's from here up 30 inches, or from that spot right there 30 inches up, and we could go up higher on this land here, maybe we can get away with the 30 inches. There's a ladder in there.
That's a lot better temper than you have, Mel. That other one's really hard to crimp with.
look tired.
I am tired. It's been a long day.
We got water. Right over the well line, water line. It's amazing.
Hi again. So back at the river, kind of tired today, but they put in the pump to the well house, ran the line, electrical line to the temporary power, and then we ran another line into the house because eventually we wanted all the breakers to be in the house and not outside by a temporary pole. So we're pretty psyched about that. Our guy came over and left his excavator here, and he said, hey, if you guys need the excavator, the keys are in it, so go ahead and use it. Oh, what a blessing. Absolutely amazing. So the well guy, who was just learning how to do it, was actually pretty good. So he pushed some of the dirt on top of the well, what do they call that thing?
Housing?
Housing or whatever. It's the
the
pressure tank. The pressure tank. So they bury it.
Yeah.
So he had to bury it. I guess they are required to do that. Anyway, he used the excavator to do that, and he had a lot of fun in that. And then our other guy, contractor, came today, and so he's very much more experienced on the excavator, so it's pretty cool. He just jumped in there and pushed over the dirt on the driveway that you can see now where his truck is parked, because there was still the what do they call that? The gully or whatever.
Well, it was a trench to run the water and the electric
The
in.
trench, the water, and the electric were still open, so he jumped in the excavator. So two guys were in the excavator today. Pretty cool. He closed up the trench and then went over with the machine.
And he wanted to back his truck in here, so that's why he did it.
Yeah, on the driveway, so it's really cool. But you can still see there's a bunch of dirt that still needs to be pushed in. Our guy that owns the excavator is going to push this in this weekend.
And I put spray foam around the water because I want to make sure that it stays insulated.
We're probably going to come up to here with the dirt, right around here or so.
We're not sure.
So we'll see. You know, if it's 3 feet under the ground, it shouldn't freeze, so we should be okay. But yeah, pretty happy with our progress here. Really psyched because now that was the last thing. So now we've got water, and but
Last big thing.
the last big thing, right? And then the last big thing is building the house now.
And that's
kinda
next.
done. And then the landscaping is going to take place. Our guy with the excavator is going to start to smooth out the driveway and then work down there to kind of level it up. So stay tuned. There's a lot more to come. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Hit that bell button if you want to get notifications. And it's very buggy out here. Thank you.